Hey guys, this is Gary Kim. Following up on the first episode, I'll be demonstrating how to draw a side view of a nose. To enhance your understanding of proportions and positioning of the nose, I will also include a profile view of a male. Alright, let's get started. First, I'll use straight lines to sketch the overall shape of a male side view. Remember, these lines should be light and will eventually disappear, so they are often called ghost lines. Apply a medium shadow of value based on the direction of the light source. In this case, the light is coming from the top left. The cast shadows will tell you where the light source is heading over. These initial shadows will give your drawing primitive depth and a three-dimensional appearance. Add darker values to both the forming shadows and the cast shadows. Forming shadows usually create soft edges on the forms, while cast shadows tend to create sharper edges. Now I come down to the final stage. I'll further darken each value to enhance the face's contrast and create a more defined image. Well, I used my imagination to draw this. I feel like it is done. I hope this video has helped you learn how to draw a nose. If you like this episode, share it on your social network and help me make the better contents. If you visit my Facebook, you can see more figure drawing samples of mine. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you in the next video with a better episode.